This year, the test was conducted on Saturday, 13th May 2023 and Sunday, 14th May 2023 across 16 centers in the state. Dr. V.N. Sheth, Professor of Goa Engineering, Pharmagudi, Goa, was appointed as the chairman of the examination committee. Total 3,224 candidates have registered to appear at GCET conducted in 3 subjects, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics. The test has been conducted and results prepared based on active cooperation from IIT Bombay within 3 days. And I'll just give you various statistical highlights and name of 5 toppers. Physics total registered candidates were 3,224. Total candidate appeared 3,089. Maximum marks obtained is 61 out of 64. 61 out of 75. Sorry, 61 out of 75. And minimum marks was 6. And average marks obtained 22.68. Whereas chemistry, total candidates appeared 3,224. Appeared candidate 3,088. Maximum marks 70 out of 75. Minimum marks 11. Average mark 27.97. Maths, total registered candidate 2,476. Appeared candidate 2,373. Maximum marks 71. Minimum out of 71 out of 75. And minimum marks 08. And average marks 27.77. I'll just read the toppers' names in physics. Adip Siddharth Sinai Konkalekar. Second number, Atharva Vijay Naik. Third ranker, Warren Beneficio Tavares. Fourth ranker, Palash Dwarkanath Pai Angle. Fifth ranker, Shreyas Pankaj Chauhan. And sixth ranker, Vaishnavi Yuvraj Kotekar. In chemistry, top 5 are: first, Atharva Vijay Naik. Second one, Aryan Siddesh Sinai Kakodkar. Third, Sudhin Kaushal. Fourth, Nandini Siddesh Ranganekar. Fifth, Adip Siddharth Sinai Konkalekar. Sixth, Palash Dwarkanath Pai Angle. And seventh, Vishwesh Vasudev Sawant. Maths topper. Now these 7 numbers are coming just because of they have scored equal marks. So for your information. So maths top 5. First, Himanshi Ninath Desai. Second one, Shreyas Pankaj Chauhan. Third one, Warren Beneficio Tavares. Fourth, Palash Dwarkanath Pai Angle. And fifth, Adip Siddharth Sinai Konkalekar. So डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनान जी GCET परीक्षा घेतिली त्याचो रिजल्ट आम्ही आज हांगा डिक्लेअर केला. आता बेस्ड ऑन GCET रिजल्ट 19 तारखेसान ऍडमिशन प्रोसेस सुरू जातलो.